Let's talk ceiling fans. The seller sent this over to me to test out and install for you. So let's unbox this, assemble it, and then get it installed. And this is everything inside the box, instruction manual, and all parts to put this 72-inch fan together. So now let's get this assembled. One other thing about this fan is that you could either have it as black fan blades or flip it over and have a nice wood texture. On this assembly, I'm going to be doing the wood texture finish. Now that all fan blades are installed, when I was using the drill, I didn't tighten it. So now I'm going to go back over with just a screwdriver and hand tighten every single screw to make sure that they are secure. Now that it's installed, let's turn it on and test it out. And just like that, this ceiling fan is installed. You saw how simple it was to do. Any DIYer could do it with just some basic tools, and it will elevate any room that you are going to be installing this ceiling fan in. I highly recommend it. Let's go over some features that I do like. First and foremost, it's a 72-inch fan, which I like because it elevates a large room. And when you have a wider fan, you don't need the fan running as fast to push the same amount of air. The other feature I like is that the fan blades are composite and they have a wood texture on one side and a black matte finish on the other side. The fixture itself is black and it does a great job with bringing that modern feel to anybody's room. Now, the light underneath it, really simple LED. It has 3 different color tones, whether if you wanted a warm tone, a cool tone, or somewhere in between. Now, everything could be controlled with a remote. So once you flip the switch to turn the power on, you could just leave it on and you don't have to use it from that point on because everything can be done with the remote. So let's turn the light on. And as you can see, that's one color tone. And we could flip through the next 2. And you could also change the brightness just with a couple clicks of the remote. Now, the next thing that you could do is there's 1 through 6 fan settings, and it will turn the fan on. I'm going to just put it on level 1 to show you what it's like while I keep talking to you guys. There's also different timers that you could put on the fan between 1 and 4 hours. So that way, if you just wanted to put it on while you were away and you wanted to circulate the air, but didn't want to leave it on all day, you could put it on a timer and that would be fine as well. You could also shut off the light if you just want the fan on. Last feature, you could reverse the rotation of the fan. Now, this is important, especially in wintertime. It's going to reverse the airflow and push that warm air that's stuck on the ceiling down and circulate it to get a little bit more energy efficient in your house. So wintertime, you're going to reverse the air by pushing it up. Summertime, you're going to reverse the air by pushing it down. Overall, this is a great fan. I'm going to kick it up to level 6 and show you what it's about. Now, the nice thing when you do kick it up to level 6, it doesn't automatically go there. It slowly works its way up to level 6 to really just make it feel like it's not going to overpower and fling off the ceiling. This pushes a ton of air around the place, and I am completely satisfied with this product. I think you will be too. Go out, grab yours today. Thanks again for watching, and good luck for your purchase.